Okay, my cat is crazy, and he chases after something that seems to get his attention. For example, this toy spring for cats. Watch what happens. Look, he'll go straight after that. Look, he'll go straight after that. And he carries it with its mouth. He ain't gonna eat it all, don't worry. That was just my dog Garrett making that noise. He's walking around the house. Here we go. Oh, he's still moving. Okay, kitty, go fetch. Oh yes, it's a cat like a dog. A cat that can fetch. Come on. Here you are, cat. Like, which one I focus on, the camera or the spring? The spring. Go fetch it. Okay. There you go. Oh, the dogs. Pick up the dog. Anyone? Sorry about that, man. Alright, here's what the spring looks like up close. Ready, cat? Okay, let's do it one more time. 3, 2, 1, go fetch! Whoa. Okay, that'll end this video, everyone. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye!